What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. In today's video, the topic I'm going to be speaking on is making money independently on your own outside of the traditional path, outside of traditional employment, and why I think experiencing making money on your own really changes the way you see earning money, earning income, because the traditional sort of normal way of making money in most people's minds is getting a job, being employed, and they don't think outside of that as how can I earn money independently on my own through providing services and products. And I think once you experience that, for myself at least, it changes the way you see money. It changes the way you see possibilities. You see more possibilities all around you. You see products and services being transacted, happening around you all the time, and you see the potentiality for yourself. So I have a window cleaning business, predominantly storefront window cleaning. I've had it for about 17 months, and it's been a very eye-opening experience in terms of earning income, because my efforts are directly tied to my results. With a job, that's not always the case. Doesn't matter how hard you work, you're going to get paid a certain amount. You're fixed at a certain income range. Rather, when you have a business, a side hustle, something you do independently, the more effort you put in, you get out more. So you see the fruits of your actions. You see that there's a correlation between them, or causation. You act and then you get an output, you get a result. So, and once you experience that, you go out, you pitch, and you land a job, you make some money, you want to keep doing it. It's like a high. It's like a light goes off, like, wow, like I can really just make money just learning a simple service and providing it for people, getting in front of people, walking in, pitching businesses. For my business, I do mostly walk-ins. I walk into businesses, I give my pitch, I give them my pricing, and I show them my social media to show that I've done work before, and I present myself as a valuable service provider, and that leads to work. And it's a totally different mentality than working a job. A job, you have a fixed task. You're kind of lazy. You're like, you do what you have to do. And when you get off, you just don't want to think about work. And it's not really that fulfilling. At least me personally, when I've had jobs, it's just been kind of, it's routine, and it's not really fulfilling. But when you have your own thing, and you're making money on your own, you're putting in the effort, but you're benefiting from it. It's a different level of satisfaction. Even if it's a little bit of money, I challenge you just to make $100 a month doing your own thing. Provide a simple service. There's storefront window cleaning. There's pressure washing. There's dog walking. There's dog poop picking up. There's, furniture assembly. There's many different services you could provide for people and make money. And my challenge to you is just experience it. Experience it, see how it makes you feel, and see the way it impacts the way you see making money. Because I get the sense that once you do, you're going to think, oh, damn, I just made money providing a simple service. I could do this again. I could do this, 5 hours a week, 10 hours a week. I could maybe do this part-time. I could maybe do this full-time. The possibilities are out there. Now, I do a storefront window cleaning business. I like this business model because it gives me a lot of free time. It gives me flexibility. It gives me pretty good pay. Some of my clients, like I have a dance studio client, pays me $300 per cleaning. Takes me about 3 hours, almost $100 an hour, basically $100 an hour. Now, not all clients are like this. Sometimes you're going to get lower paying clients. But the point is that you can find good paying clients with a simple service business like storefront window cleaning and make a decent extra income just doing this on the side. It's very doable. I actually have a course, the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint, in which I teach you step by step how to build a recurring storefront window cleaning business. You could do this part-time, you could do this full-time, and you could earn an independent income stream for yourself. So if you're interested in a simple service business that you can learn quickly and start making money quickly, check out the description, check out the pinned comment for that. So back to the main idea, earning an independent income. Experience it for yourself. Experience earning income outside of a 9 to 5. And I'm telling you, it's going to change the way you see making money. Because really, to survive, you just have to make income. You don't need a paycheck. A paycheck is, maybe it feels safe, it feels secure, but is it really secure? A lot of people are losing jobs nowadays. A lot of people are being let go. AI is taking jobs. So today, more than ever, I think it's important to start something for yourself. Start making money for yourself independently outside of an employer, because jobs are not exactly guaranteed nowadays. A lot of jobs. Some jobs, yes, some jobs are secure, but a lot of jobs, it's not as secure as they once were in the past. So I challenge you, try something, try a simple service. Storefront window cleaning, I recommend just because I do that. But whatever captures your interest, start small. Challenge yourself. Make an extra $100 a month doing a simple service, a simple product. And then try to make 200, and then try to make 500. And learn the skills of business, because these are very valuable skills that we don't learn in school. They don't teach you how to provide products and services in school. They don't teach this to the general population. And they probably do it on purpose. They want to keep everybody sort of in a box, thinking that a job is the only way to make money. A 9 to 5 is the only way to make money. Having an employer is the only way to make money. No. You can make money independently, on your own, solving problems for other human beings, providing solutions in the form of products and services, and the information is out there to learn business. And it's out there, and then you just have to choose something and try it. You don't have to commit full-time. Start small. And I'm telling you, you're going to get hooked to the feeling of making money on your own. It's so much more satisfying than a paycheck, personally. So that is the video. Hopefully you found value in it, some insight in it. And again, if you're interested in starting a simple service business, a simple side hustle, storefront window cleaning is a great option. I have the blueprint down below in the description and in the pinned comment. If you're interested in that, check it out. If you like the video, subscribe, like. Any questions you have, leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my time here at the park, go do some pull-ups, maybe go for a little walk. And yeah, so that's me. Peace out, guys. See you in the next one.